Hello everyone, welcome to our class for today. In our class today, we are going to look at the measurement of angles, and this is under trigonometry. In today's class, at the end of today's class, you should be able to calculate or find how to convert radian to degree and from degree to radian. It's going to be a first one, and we are going to learn a lot. Now, let's consider this circle, and from this circle we are going to cut an arc AB, and the length of this arc, we are going to take the length of this arc, which is from this point to this point, as S. Now if we take the length of that arc to be S and we take this edge to be 0, so angle AOB will be divided by theta, which is equal to S over R, which is the length of the arc over R, and this is measured in radian. Now, having gotten this, now assume that we have a point. We now decide to move from A, and we'll move 360 round the circle. Now the length of our arc this time around, we have moved 360 round the circle, and that is the circumference of the circle. And the area of the length or the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So if we divide that by r, we are going to see that the r will clear the r, and then 360 degree, which we have gone around the circle, will be equal to 2 pi, and that is the value in radian. Now come to think about this. If 2 pi now is equal to 360 degree, so that means 180 degree, if we go 180 degree, 180 degree will be 2 pi divided by 2, which is equal to pi. That means our pi will be equal to 180 degree. And now if we go to 90 degree, 90 degree will be our pi divided by what? 2, and that will be equal to 90 degree, because 90 times 2 will give us 180. So we can get the value for all the angles. We can get the reciprocal of their radial value. Now let's look at the conversions we need to know as we discuss as we find the values of radians, as we convert from degree to radians. Now, if we want to convert from degree to radian, you should always note that 1 rad, this is the general converting unit. 1 rad is equal to 180 divided by pi degree in radian. And when we want to convert from degree to radian, 1 degree will be equal to pi over 180 radian. So what does this tell us? This tells us that this is the formula for calculating or finding the radian of any value, or if we want to convert from radian to degree and from degree to radian. Now let's assume that we are given a question. Let's try this sample question. If we are asked to convert 235 degree to radian, what do we use, or which of the formulas are we going to use? Which of the formulas are we going to use? We are converting from degree to radian. So if we use this, we are going to see that 235 degree will be equal to, 235 degree multiplied by pi over 180 radian. And you remember the value of pi. The value of pi is approximately 3.142. Now, if we get that value, we are going to have, if we use our calculator to calculate this, we are going to have this to be equal to 235 multiplied by pi all over 180. Now let's punch that on our calculator. If we punch that on our calculator, we are going to have 4 radian and the what and 10 what and 10 degree, and this will be the solution to this question. This is the easiest way you can convert from degree to what? To radian. Now, if you are asked to convert from radian to degree, all you simply need to do is to apply the same formula exactly the way we apply this other one, and voila, your result will just come out. Now, when you are given such a question in your exam, the key points you need to note and you need to take away from this video is that whenever you want to convert from radian to degree, you have to multiply that value by 180 over pi. And whenever you are converting from degree to radian, you have to multiply that value you are given with pi over 180. It's just a reciprocal, and that is just the way to find out. If you find this video very interesting, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel in order to get our subsequent videos. Thanks so much for watching.